Hi guys, welcome to Chillipot kitchen. My name is Darshini. Today I'm going to share one of a popular ice cream variety, Pistachios ice cream. This pista ice cream is so creamy and yummy. It goes well with Faluda, vanilla milkshake, waffles, pancake. I made this pista ice cream in my Insta Taste Plus blender. It was ready within 2 minutes. Trust me, you will be amazed as I was. My kids are not really a big fan of nuts. This is one way I can feed them. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Looking for more Instant Pot or electric pressure cooker, air fryer and Instant Pot blender recipes? Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more easy and tasty video recipes. I post new videos every Tuesday, Friday and Sunday. Let's get started. Check on the ingredients. Take a screenshot of ingredients or check the description box below later. Take a dry roasted unsalted pistachios to make this ice cream. Add the pistachios to the blender and make a fine powder. Along with the powder, add whipped cream, condensed milk or sugar, vanilla essence. Adding cardamom powder is optional. This gives nice flavor to the ice cream. Add green color. This is optional. It gives a nice appeal. I have used homemade organic green food color. I have given the link for homemade food color in the description box below. Please do check it. Close the lid and blend all together till you get soft cream. I have selected a nut butter option. It blends approximately 4 minutes. It stops and blends by itself. If you are using other blenders, please make sure that you stop every 15 to 30 seconds and scrap the cream. It's done. Let's open and see. Wow, look at this. It's so creamy and smells so good. Transfer the ice cream to a bowl or container. I love this ice cream container. I have given the link for this ice cream container in the description box below. If you need one, please do check it. Close the lid. Freeze it for at least 4 to 6 hours. After 6 hours, it's ready to dig in. Wow, look at this. It's cooked up so well. Add your favorite toppings. I'm adding some chopped pistachios and homemade tutti frutti. I have given the link for homemade tutti frutti in the description box below. Please do check it. Serve cold and enjoy yourself with your family. Thanks for watching my video. If you like the video, give a thumbs up. Do try this recipe at your home and give me a feedback in the comment section below. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Pin the recipe on Pinterest. If you have any questions or feedback, write it in the comment section below. I will respond to it as soon as possible. And see you guys in the next video. Bye.